See that guy? That's me. My excuse for looking like this is that I'm a pharmacy student. I feel like every day is the same. Waking up early, listening to lectures, and studying. Studying all day. But I know there is much more out there. Things they don't tell us. I just don't know how to find it.
Come here. I have something for you. I used to be just like you, and I know all about your problems. I think I might have a solution. Have you heard of Virtual Pharmacon?
No, what is it?
Virtual Pharmacon is CPSA Virtual Congress, which aims to connect lecturers from a range of countries and students from all around the globe by utilizing modern technologies. Both students and lecturers will come just 1 click away from each other.
Okay, how do I join the Congress?
All you need is access to the internet. The Congress is held through Adobe Connect interface and its virtual room feature. This will help you find the Congress.
Welcome to Virtual Pharmacon.
This is what I was looking for. I was blind, but now I see. Virtual Pharmacon allowed me to gain knowledge I could have never found before. It showed me many opportunities that pharmacists can seize. Now it all makes sense.